Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vladimir and this is the new Sofirn flashlight. Now they have done it again to a different standard, a different level, and this is something for sure you must have. Now I use Sofirn flashlights all the time for all my garage needs, and if you're an outdoor guy or a shop guy or a guy that just has a hobby working on old cars or anywhere doing anything, you need to check out one of these flashlights. Come check it out with me. Alright, now if you guys understand, I'm a huge fan of stuff that works well. And this Sofirn flashlight has got a lot of different options, guys. Let's check it out. So, we've got quite a few things here. This is really exciting, guys. Alright, so what does this say? Welcome to Sofirn family. Man, these guys are top-notch. Instructions here, and it tells you a whole lot of stuff. Okay, we've got a lot of options, a lot of things that are being said here, and it tells you about the way you charge it and different options on pressing the button. So you guys can look at that, but mainly this thing comes with this, which is awesome. This is where this flashlight just sits in here. Okay, just like that. You can really set it any way you want, any of your preference. This is how you do it, and you can mount it to your t-shirt. That's what's really awesome. So you can mount it on yourself, in your pocket, anywhere you really want to. But check out this thing. All right, this is what's the most coolest thing I've seen lately. And it's this goes in here just like that's on there. Nice. Check this out. So I can have this on my hand, I can mount my flashlight on it, and it acts like a clock, really. Let's get this little thing off of here, and the flashlight is bright. Now let's check it out, how it works at night. That's bright. Oh man, looking for coyotes right now. Watching, guys, thank you for sticking around and checking out this beautiful, awesome flashlight that just fits right into your pocket, just like this, without any problems. Or you can pull it out, stick it right on. Oh my, it just didn't stick that time, did it? Stick it right on my magnet, just like this, and then also run it like this. You have a nice green LED that shows you what's going on. And here we are. As you can see, it really shines up the woods, and it does really well, and it's not even that dark outside. We'll see you later.